Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Fikar Rashid Ramadhani. In this video presentation, I will explain to Scopus Index Journal article. Number one, title the part to poverty reduction, how do economic growth and fiscal policy influence poverty through inequality in Indonesia. Background of the study. This study focus on the problem of poverty reduction in Indonesia. Although Indonesia has experienced steady economic growth over the past days, poverty and income inequality remain serious challenge. In many developing countries, economic growth does not automatically reduce poverty. In some cases, growth benefits only certain group, while poor community remain vulnerable. This condition creates a development gap and weakens the effectiveness of national development program. Therefore, the author were interested in understanding further economic growth and fiscal policy truly help reduce poverty, and more importantly, whether income inequality play a key role in this relationship. This research is important because it supports policymakers in design more inclusive and effective development strategies. Research objective. The main objective of this study are: number one, to examine the effect of economic growth on poverty in Indonesia. Number one, to analyze the role of fiscal policy such as government spending and public finance in reduction poverty. Number three, to test whether income inequality acts as a mediating variable between growth, fiscal policy, and poverty. Methodology. This research use quantitative approach based on secondary macroeconomic data from Indonesia. The author apply econometric modeling and statistical analysis to measure both direct effect growth, poverty, fiscal policy, and poverty, and indirect effect growth, inequality, poverty. This method allow the researchers to examine not only correlation but also causal pathways among the variable. The analysis ensures that the conclusion are support by empirical evidence, not only theory. The main findings of the study showed that: number one, economic growth and fiscal policy do influence poverty reduction, but the impact is not always strong. Income inequality play a significant mediating role. High inequality, the effectiveness of economic growth in lowering poverty. Number three, when inequality increase, the benefit of growth are no distributed evenly, causing poor households to again less from economic expansion. Number four, a fiscal policy can help reduce poverty, but its success depends on how well it target inequality and vulnerable groups. Overall, the study demonstrate that growth alone is not sufficient. Without reduction inequality, poverty reduction becomes slower and less effective. Conclusion: the author conclude the poverty reduction requires a comprehensive and inclusive development approach. Economic growth must be accompanied by effective fiscal policy, income redistribution, and social protection program. The study strongly emphasizes that reducing inequality is essential for ensuring that development benefit all levels of society. This article contribution significant to development economic by highlighting that equitable growth is more important than goal alone. Journal article number 1. Journal article number 2. Title Fintech Advancement in the digital economy, leveraging social media and personal computer of sustainable entrepreneurship. Background of the study. This study discusses the transformation of the global economy into a digital economy where technology, social media, and fintech play a major role. Today, entrepreneurship is no longer limited to physical market. Digital platform allow entrepreneur to reach customer globally, access online finance, promote sustainable business practice. Research object. The objective of this study are: number 1, to analyze how social media contribution to sustainable entrepreneurship. Number 2, to explore the relationship between fintech development and entrepreneur innovation. Number 3, to identify major research trend and emerging themes in this field. The study aims to build a clear academic picture of how digital tools shape modern entrepreneurship methodology. The study used a bibliometric analysis approach. The authors collect large number of Scopus Index publications related to fintech, social media, and entrepreneurship data analysis. This method help in identifying which topics are most studied, how research themes are connected, and where future research opportunities exist. Main findings. The main findings indicate that number 1, 3 is a strong and growing connecting between social media and entrepreneurship. Number 2, social media supports sustainable entrepreneurship by improving market access, branding, building community engagement, and innovation diffusion. Number 3, fintech expand access to capital especially for startup and small business. Number 4, the study also involves emerging research such as machine learning, sentiment analysis, and digital entrepreneurial ecosystem. Conclusion: the author conclude that fintech and social media play a strategic role in developing sustainable entrepreneurship. Digital technology support business that are innovative, social, responsible, and environmentally aware. The study recommend strengthening digital ecosystem collaboration between stakeholders and police sports to encourage sustainable digital entrepreneurship. This article is valuable for entrepreneurs, policymakers, and education in preparing for the future of digital economy. Closing. In conclusion, the first article emphasizes that poverty reduction depends on both economic growth and income equality. The second article shows that digital innovation and social media can drive sustainable entrepreneurship. Together, these two studies highlight that sustainable development today requires a combination of inclusive economic policy and strong digital transformation. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.